Viral YouTube. Thumbnails. Designs that doubled my passive views. The simple secrets. Let's be honest, if your thumbnails are bad, your YouTube videos might be dying a slow death even if the content is great. After years of trying things out, I completely changed my thumbnails and got twice as many passive views. I'm going to tell you exactly how I made thumbnails that get people to click on them and help you make more money without doing anything. Why are thumbnails so important? First impressions. When people look at YouTube, the first thing they see is your thumbnail. This is your only chance to make a good first impression and get them to watch your video. A good thumbnail can make a video go viral or get ignored. The basic design rules. Important things that grab attention. High contrast. Use bright colors and things that are different from each other to make your thumbnail stand out. Don't use colors that are too light or too dull. Text that is clear and to the point. Use big, easy-to-read text that gets your video's main point across. Keep the amount of text to a minimum so that viewers don't get overwhelmed. Interesting visuals. Use pictures, graphics, or screenshots that catch people's attention and make them want to know more. Emotional connection. Show people showing emotions in pictures to connect with viewers on an emotional level. Brand consistency. To help people remember your brand, use the same colors, fonts, and logos all the time. My step-by-step plan. Making thumbnails that people want to click. Look at the competition. Look at thumbnails in your field to see what works and what doesn't. Find common colors, themes, and fonts. Brainstorm ideas. Make a list of thumbnail ideas that are related to your video and will interest the people you want to reach. Pick a good picture. Choose a high-quality picture or screenshot that looks good and fits with your video. Add text. Include text that is clear and to the point and gets your main point across. Pick a font that is easy to read and goes well with the picture. Add graphics. Use graphics, arrows, or other things to make some parts of the thumbnail stand out. Try different colors. Use bright colors and things that are different from each other to make your thumbnail stand out. Try out different designs. Make a bunch of different thumbnail designs and use YouTube's A/B testing feature to see which one works best. Here are some design strategies that worked for me. The before and after transformation. Show a big change to show how your video worked. This works well for DIY and tutorial videos. The shock and awe reaction. Show a picture of someone looking shocked, surprised, or amazed to get people interested. The problem and solution. Visual. Show the problem and the solution that your video offers in a way that is easy to understand. The numbered list teaser. Use a number to show that your video has a list of tips, tricks, or secrets. The interesting question. Ask a question that your target audience will relate to in order to get them to click. Tools I use to make thumbnails. Cheap options. Canva, a free online design tool that has a lot of templates and graphics. Adobe Photoshop, a professional image editing program that you have to pay for. GIMP is a free and open source program for editing images. PicMonkey, a second easy-to-use online design tool. Keeping track of your results. How to measure thumbnail performance. Click-through rate, CTR. Keep an eye on the click-through rate of your thumbnails to find out which ones work best. This information comes from YouTube Analytics. Audience retention. Keep an eye on how many people are still watching your videos after they click on your thumbnail. Things you shouldn't do. Using bad pictures. Pictures that are blurry or pixelated will make people not want to look at them. Putting too much text. Thumbnails with too much text are hard to read and understand. Thumbnails that are not clear. Don't use thumbnails that don't show what your video is about. This will make viewers unhappy and lower the number of people who stick around. Not paying attention to your analytics. Look at your data and change your thumbnail designs based on what you see. The bottom line, thumbnails are a way to get passive views. Making interesting. YouTube thumbnails is worth the time and money because it can lead to more views, subscribers, and passive income. You can make thumbnails that get people's attention, make them curious, and make them want to watch your videos by following these design rules and tips.